How to archive emails in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to archive emails in Outlook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for outlook.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Outlook. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and open the mail you want to archive. Right-click on the mail and a pop-up window will appear. You will see various options in here. You will also see the option for archive. So go ahead and tap on that, and with this, you have successfully archived mails in Outlook. Now, if you want to view your archived email, then you can go ahead and tap on the archive option you see on the left side toolbar of the screen, and in here, you will be able to view all the archived emails. So this is how you can archive emails in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.